Welcome to Poetry Corner. And now for my poem. I'm short. I'm small. I'm pink. I'm not tall. I'm not a frog. I am a dog. I'm thin. I'm not fat. And I'm not a cat. I'm a short, small, thin, pink dog. Thank you. Good evening.
And you're not a rabbit! Rabbit English! Rabbit English! Rabbit English! Hello and welcome to What Is It? Today we talk about things that can take us places. Okay, rabbit, are you ready?
Is it a car?
Oh, no! I asked if you are ready.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Okay, now for question number 1. It is very, very fast. It is very big. It can fly. What is it, rabbit?
Is it a horse?
What? No, it isn't a horse. It's a plane. It is big, it's very fast, and it can fly.
Okay.
Okay, rabbit?
Yeah.
Next question.
Okay.
It is small. It has 2 wheels. And it is fast. What is it?
It's a car!
No. 2 wheels. A car has 4 wheels. Again, it is small. It is fast. It's a motorbike, not a car. Okay.
Vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. Oh, hello, and welcome back to Words We Should Know. Let's practice today's words. Student!
Yes, teacher. What do you want?
Hello.
Hi.
Today we're going to practice words you should know.
Okay.
Now, is it a cow?
A cow? No, it's not a cow. It's a ball.
Very good. Now, look. Is it a train?
Yes, it's a train.
All right. Is it a boat?
Yes, it's a boat. I like boats.
Good. Just answer the question. Now. Here. Is it big?
No, it's not big.
Very good. Is it purple?
Come on, man. It's not purple.
Well, what is it?
It's a computer.
Yes, it's a computer.
Are we done yet?
2 more words.
No more words. Let me help you. Is it a cow?
No, it isn't.
Is it big?
No, it isn't.
Is it a teddy?
Yes, it is.
And this is a car, right?
Yes, it's a
Okay, I'm going. Goodbye.
car. Well, that's the end of Words We Should Know. Goodbye, boys and girls.
Hey. Is he gone? Okay, now say these with me. Ball, train, car, boat, computer, Teddy. Goodbye. Oh, hello. I'm Blue Rabbit, and welcome to Blue Rabbit's Grammar Corner. Today, we will talk... Oh, hi, Monkey.
Oh, hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Monkey,
Yeah,
can you help me?
I don't know. I'll try. Okay.
Okay. So, today, we are looking at a and an.
Okay.
So, sentence 1.
Yes.
It's a rabbit.
All right.
But sentence 2, it's an elephant.
Huh.
So, Monkey,
Yeah.
why a rabbit but an elephant?
I don't know.
Well, Monkey, look. A rabbit. Rabbit starts with R.
Yes.
But an elephant. Elephant starts with E.
Yes.
E is a vowel.
Vowel? Wait. What's a vowel?
Well, vowels are these letters. A,
A,
E,
E,
I,
I,
O,
O,
U.
U.
A-E-I-O-U.
Huh. A-E-I-O-U.
Good, Monkey.
Okay.
And if a word starts with a vowel,
Yeah.
like elephant,
Yeah.
we use an.
Oh. And. Okay.
And, yes.
Good.
So, Monkey, your vowels, A,
A,
E,
E,
I,
I,
O,
O,
U.
U.
Okay, well done, Monkey.
All right.
Thank you.
Good.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay, bye.
Aha! A dragon! I will kill you with my big sword!
What's in the rabbit's hand? Is it big? No. Is it a sword? No. Oh, stupid rabbit. Die? Me? That's a pen. It's not a sword. Huh? How do I die?
I'm sorry. Goodbye.
Rabbits. What is it? Is it big? No, it's not big. Is it slow? No, it's not slow. It's fast. It's blue. It's cute. Ah, I know. It's a small, fast, blue dog. Aw, he's so cute. Oh, what a good dog. Good doggy. Come here, doggy. Doggy.
I'm not a dog. Okay, welcome back to What Is It? Things that can take us places. Are you ready, Rabbit?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Question number 3. It is big. It is slow. It travels on water.
Let me think. Big, slow. Horse. No, not a horse. Not a horse. No, not a car. Wait. Is it a boat?
Yes, it is a boat. Well done, Rabbit. Next question. Okay, Rabbit.
Yes.
It is small.
Small.
It is slow.
Slow.
It is quiet.
Huh.
It has 2 wheels. What is it?
Oh, that's easy. It's a bicycle.
Yes, a bicycle. Well done, Rabbit.
I got a red bicycle.
Enough. Oh, hello. Welcome back to Blue Rabbit's Grammar Corner. I'm Blue Rabbit, and this is Monkey. Monkey, back here. Okay. So, do you remember your vowels, Monkey?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Rabbit.
Say them with me.
All right.
It's Blue Rabbit.
Okay.
A,
E,
I,
I,
O, U.
U.
Okay, good, Monkey.
Thank you.
Now, in these sentences, do we use a or an? Okay, Monkey, try. It's
A ball. It's a ball.
It's a ball.
Yes.
Insect. It's
an insect.
Yes, it is. Umbrella. It's
an umbrella.
Okay, and it's
Pink dog. It's a pink dog.
okay. So Monkey said it's a ball.
Yes.
It's an insect.
Correct.
It's an umbrella.
Yes.
It's a pink dog.
Yes, I think so.
Okay, Monkey, let's see if you are correct. Blue Rabbit Grammar Magic! And look, Monkey was correct.
Wow.
He used an with insect
I did.
because I
Yes.
is a...
It's a vowel.
Yes!
Vowel. Yeah.
And he used an with umbrella
I did.
because you is a...
Vowel.
Yes, again, well done.
Vowels again. Ready?
Okay, oh, yes. A, E,
E,
I, O, U.
U.
Okay, Monkey, now, one more time.
Wow. Oh, hello. Good
Hello.
morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm okay.
What a beautiful sunny day. Eh?
Yes, it is. It is beautiful.
Okay, well, have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, Monkey, 4 more sentences.
See 'em.
Ready?
Yes.
It's
a monkey.
okay. Now, taxi, it's
Letter T. It's a taxi.
okay. Now, eraser.
It's an E. It's an eraser.
Okay, Monkey. And the last one, it's
Brown. Oh, brown teddy.
Okay.
It's a brown teddy. Yes.
Okay, so you said it's a monkey,
I did.
it's a taxi,
Yes.
it's an eraser,
Yep.
and it's a brown teddy.
Correct.
Okay. Shall we check?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Blue monkeys grammar magic.
Nothing, monkey. Try it. Magic only works for rabbits. Watch. Blue rabbit grammar magic! And look, monkey,
Wow.
you were correct.
Nice.
You used an with eraser because E is a...
E is a vowel.
Yes, it's a vowel. And our vowels are
Okay, ready?
A,
A,
E,
E,
I,
I,
O,
O,
U.
U.
A, E, I, O, U. Goodbye.
See ya.
Okay, and now for the final round of What is it? Question number 5.
5.
It is big. It is slow. Many people can ride in it. What is it, Rabbit?
Is it a car?
Close, but big, slow, many people.
Many people. Oh, I know. Is it a bus?
Yes, it is a bus. Well done, Rabbit. Okay, now, last question. It's an animal. It is big. It has 4 legs. It is gray. What is it, Rabbit?
Oh, I know. Is it a rabbit?
Is a rabbit big?
Oh.
Big?
Is it a dog?
Well, a dog can be brown or white or black, many colors.
Big, gray, a whale.
Have whales got 4 legs?
I don't know.
It's
I
an elephant, Rabbit! An elephant! Go away! Go away! Goodbye. Come back next week for What Is It? Fear me. Fear me. I have a big sword. You will die.
Hello.
Ah!
Rabbits.